Today I'm making a healthier, amped up version of broccoli rice casserole. If you've ever had broccoli rice casserole, it's usually served at a church potluck or a family reunion and somebody brings it. It's cheesy, it's buttery, it has lots of rice and a little bit of broccoli. I'm going to make this a healthier version, but I'm still going to keep it really simple for us. I'm going to amp up the veg content and hence the fiber, and I'm also going to add some protein. So it is a one dish casserole type meal for your family, and they're going to love it because it's still going to be cheesy, just not going to be super buttery like the original version was. And I'm still going to give you that shortcut, mushroom soup, cream of mushroom soup from a can. And typically you find them, and if you look at the ingredients, you're not going to be happy what you see in those ingredients. So I have searched high and low for a healthy version to avoid trying to make this cream of mushroom sauce myself. And this specific brand is it for me. It's organic, it's gluten-free, it's really good. And then fill up this can with some milk. I'm using coconut milk, but you can use regular milk if you want to. And then I'm just going to take the soup and the milk and mix it together with my whisk. That looks pretty well incorporated. Now, when my Aunt Janet was still alive, I always asked her, Aunt Janet, your broccoli rice casserole is the best. What is your secret? And she said, instead of 1 stick of butter, I use 2 sticks of butter. Well, I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of butter just to give us that little butter essence in there, but we're not gonna load it down because this is gonna be really nice and creamy as it is. I need a pinch of salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. And then optional ingredient for you, if you like a little bit of spice, you know, I love Aleppo chili flake. You can add a regular chili flake, but Aleppo, smoky, florally, not as hot as regular chili flake. So it's a great, flavorful, introductory chili flake for people that are not accustomed to using it. That's how I kind of got roped in because I wasn't a huge fan of spice and heat, and I have come to love it thanks to Aleppo chili flake. And then everything else is really just combining all the ingredients. I have frozen broccoli, 8 ounces going in. And then instead of the rice, I have a package of frozen riced cauliflower. That's going in as well. I want to add a little bit of flavor in the way of a clove of garlic. And then I'm going to add in a chopped shallot. You could use, oh, got a bit of a skin in there. You could use about 1/4 of an onion if you wanted to do that. And then make it really easy on myself. This is rotisserie chicken that I just shredded. You can use any chicken you want, but buying it rotisserie and don't waste it. I used the rotisserie bones and actually made stock, which, yum. Homemade chicken stock, and you can make it in your pressure cooker. I used my Ninja Foodie, it took 10 minutes. And you have a couple really nice jars of fabulous stock that you can use for sauces and soups and stews and all different kinds of things, or just for sipping on because it's so delicious. All right, then the last step is shredded cheese. I'm using 8 ounces of a mixed cheddar. I've got a little white and regular yellow American cheddar. And give this all a good mix up. That's really all there is to it. I have my casserole dish, and I just need to spoon all that into here. Oil or butter your casserole dish. I just kind of spread some olive oil around in mine. You could butter it if you wanted to. This just goes into my 350 oven for about 30 minutes. It's gonna be really, really good. Out of the oven. Smells amazing. Still smells buttery and cheesy, even though we've cut down on the butter tremendously. Loaded with fiber, loaded with those veg, packed with the protein. This is the better for you cheesy broccoli rice casserole. Rice casserole. Ooh, with chicken. Oh yeah, I got a piece right there. Oh, here we go. Super good, super creamy. Absolutely delicious. You're gonna wanna check this one out. Your family's gonna love it. Recipes on taylorkitchen.net.